Good morning. Welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I have the bath. Ooh, today is Bath and Body Works Candle Day. Woo! I got up at 6:15. I was out my door at 6:30. As soon as I pulled up, they were supposed to open at 7. They had just opened the doors at like 6:35. So I was in and out in like 40 minutes, and I got 5 candles, and my total was $18.40. And I will tell you how I did that. So the candles are regularly $24.50, on sale today only for $8.95. That's the key. You have to go today, Saturday, December 1st. Then I had a 20% off coupon from an email, which took an additional $1.79 per candle. Now, if I had the 10 off of 30, it would have taken $2 off, but I'm not complaining. Then, through Ibotta, I cashed out $20 and got a Bath & Body Works gift card the other day. So, between my Ibotta gift card, which was free, and my discounts, I got 5 candles for $18.40. There we go. Or like $3.65 or something a piece. And I will tell you what I got. Fresh balsam. This is Christmas in a jar, guys. I love it. This is, and I'll tell you the notes: woodland balsam, Chris eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedar wood. I mean, I burn this and it's Christmas. My whole house smells like Christmas. So I love this, and I will burn it every day between now and then. And then I got Merry Mistletoe, and this is going to be probably for upstairs. I'm getting a glare. Merry Mistletoe. Its notes are frozen cranberries, sparkling pear, icy peppermint, and balsam. I don't get as much balsam, but I do get the pear, and it just smells like Christmas. So I got that one. And then for after the holidays, I got winter. And it's spicy. It's almost like a spiced chai kind of a smell to me. But it's fir needle, orange, essential oils, notes of clove and citrus. And I'm getting the clove and citrus and the essential oils. A little bit of the fir, but it's winter to me. So I'll burn this in January for sure. This also will be burned between now and Christmas, and it's twisted peppermint. Oh, I love twisted peppermint, and it is cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla buttercream, fresh balsam, and a hint of musk. And I love twisted peppermint, and I love the wrap on this jar. Ho, ho, ho. And then the oddity was the watermelon lemonade for the summertime, which I love. Oh, it just smells so good. Watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. And I'll save that for the summertime. So that was all I got. People were buying 10, 20 candles, but I don't need $100 worth of candles. I think 5 will get me to the next semi-annual sale, and I have 3 upstairs that I haven't even burned yet. So I am good. I wanted to share. Get yourself out there. I'm not even going to edit this. I'm just going to put it up. All right, everybody, you have a great Saturday. Go Bucks!